Hi, my name's Ian and welcome to the channel. If you've not been here before and you haven't been before, then welcome back. In this video we're going to be fitting a new battery onto my wife's 2012 Vauxhall Agila B 1.2. Right, tools for the job. You're going to need a 10mm socket and a ratchet and a 12mm socket and a long extension bar. So basically we need to undo the negative one here, which is 10mm, positive one there with a 10mm, and then down here is a bracket which we then use the 12mm to get that undone. So I shall do that now and then come back to you shortly. With regards to the positive and negative terminals, always disconnect your negative terminal first, and that saves any risk then of you shorting out anything when you're then undoing the positive side of it, like on this piece of metal here for instance. So once you've got the two terminals off and the bracket released from down below, the thing will just lift on out. And we're going to be swapping it for a Yuasa battery instead. I must say the Vauxhall one that's on it is the original one that was fitted when the car was brand new, so it's done pretty well. It's done 14 years virtually now, so can't complain too much about that for a battery. I bet this Yuasa won't last that long, but we shall see. So that's the battery drop back in the hole. Basically on the other side here you've got like a little U-shaped channel down there, so basically you want to slide the battery to the right so it hooks into the channel on that side, and then obviously then the bracket will then fit on the other side here. Let's just put that in there just to show you. So basically that bracket, let's get that out of the way, that bracket just drops down into there, and then we're going to just put the bolt down through the middle of it. Right, so that's the bracket back in now. Next thing we need to do is just take these caps off, and again the reverse of what we did before. We're going to fit the positive terminal first and then we're going to do the negative one afterwards to save any risk of shorting out. So that's the battery all back in now, everything all nice and secure, it's not going anywhere. So let's have a look, see, make sure it's going to start. Right, I've got them with the keys out of that pocket. Right, there we go. There we are. Not too bad. It's been parked up now for 3 months, this car, as we've just been away in the camper van over there. We've been to Spain and France. There's some videos on that if you're interested. But, yeah, so well, I didn't see the point in putting any battery on it before it went away. I knew it was on its way out, but yeah, that's fine now. Brilliant. Regards to the battery I've got, it's a Yuasa YBX 5063 and it's 52 amp. 520 cold cranking amps, which is more powerful than the old battery that was on it. The old Vauxhall one here was a 44 amp 350 cold cranking amps, so the Yuasa one's got a bit more bang for its buck, and I must say it was 58 quid delivered, which I don't think is bad at all, and that was from eBay. So that was a nice little quick job. I mean, literally including filming it, that's taken me 10 minutes to swap that battery over, so it's a very, very quick job and very easy to do. I must say these Agilas are so easy to work on. Anyway, if you've got any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. It'd be great if you'd like and subscribe to the channel, it'd be much appreciated, and I'll see you again in the next one. Cheers.